Today I am going to teach you how to mix a short and sweet game by the goods that we are going to throw as a waste. Firstly, we have to take one cardboard. The cardboard should be of any size. You can make it bigger also, you can make the small one. I have taken the medium size cardboard. Imagine that this is a cardboard. I have already made it and shared it with you. But this cardboard should be covered with these types of colorful papers. Firstly, you have to cover all this cardboard with any colorful paper you like. Suppose if you like yellow, then you can paste yellow in whole side, this side, this side, this side, and whole side like this. Suppose firstly you have to cover all this cardboard with the paper. After that, what you have to do is that you have to make two circle at the front side. Means here you have to make one big and here it should be little bit smaller than this one. Suppose imagine that this one is bigger and this one is smaller. We have made a big circle here and little bit it is small one. And second thing is that you can give decoration as you like. I have first colored the blue color here in this base, and I have made stars here, moon, and here other things, and I have give pink color, white color, yellow color. I have decorated it. You can decorate in any ways as you like. And this round shape you can use the remaining parts, means those parts which we cut from the downward, these types of parts which remains, you can make the circle and you can make these types of smiley face. It is wow, he is doing wow like this, his hand, and he is doing best up here, you can see, and he gives a smile. And you can decorate it like this. I have decorated it like this, and you can paste with the glue. And the main theme of this game is, this game can be played by anybody, younger, older, anybody. The main rules of this game is that this the bigger one circle and this is the smaller one circle. You can give the points here. You can give this bigger one 10 points here. You can write 10 also here. I have not written it, but you can write here 10 points and here 5 points. And what things you have to do is that take these types of waste paper. Waste paper means the children, those who have finished their copy, you can utilize these types of paper. Firstly, you have to take this paper and fold it like this and try to make a ball, like give the shape of ball. You can see here I have made it like this, and take it next one and make it again like this, and again take another one and make it like this. The ball should be according the shape of this circle, because if you will make the bigger one, it will not go inside it. That's why you should also follow the instruction that this ball which we are making from the rough paper should be enter here while we will throw it like this. Suppose I am throwing like this, it enters inside like this. Yes, that means it is okay. Now firstly we have done this one. Take a tape, sellotape, and these types of sellotape and roll it like this. Why we are doing this is that by doing this we can make this ball little bit strong and it will not be broke. Now take this sellotape and paste everywhere like this and try to give the shape of the ball here. And I have done like you can see here it is looking like a ball. Now what we have to do is that to give a good look, we can take these types of A4 size paper and we can roll it like this so that it will look little bit nice. And you can take this paper like this and fold it like this. Again put a sellotape here. You can see here I have made this as a type of ball. You can look here, it is looking like a small ball, and you can make this type of balls of different colors as you like. Suppose I made it yellow, you can make 4 or 5 balls. Now firstly the things is that we have to put this box at the far distance. You can see here I have made a small one here and I have pasted it here in this. Now you can make it small also, you can make it big also, and you can paste this like this. And I have made this one bigger one. You can paste this like this also. And what is the theme is that you have to take a ball. This one as I have made, and you have to throw it like this. You should throw like this. It should be get inside that circle. Suppose I am throwing here. Look there, it is going inside the circle. And it is of bigger one, it is of smaller one. It is of 20 points, it is of 10 points. Then when I it in interval for first time, I scored 20 points here. Now in secondly, when I will, no, I failed it. Now again I tried. Now I get it. Now I get 40 points here. Likewise, you can play these games, and it is very interesting, and children are very interested to play these games. I think you like it, and you can make it in your home yourself. You do not need any product. You can use it by anything you have got in your home, by the waste page, by the waste your cardboard. So please, if you like this game, then please subscribe, and please give likes to my videos. Thank you.